Hello friends, welcome to this 12th video on complex analysis. In the last videos we have defined, in the last video, 11th video, we have defined a function from complex plane to complex plane, right? Now we will look at this function in some more detail. Okay, that is the aim of this video, right? So basically we want to have a clearer look of the function from complex plane to complex plane. Okay, so let us see. So basically we have our domain as a subset of C and range as a subset of C, right? So basically we have a set here which is a subset of complex plane, and we have a set here which is again a subset of complex plane, and we defined a function which takes elements from here and assign elements from here, right? Okay, so if we write our function as w is equal to fz, z is a complex number, so I can write it as x plus iota y, right? So basically z has real part as x and imaginary part as y. Similarly, w is again a complex number because range is also a set of complex plane. Therefore w, which is the element assumed by f at the value z, is again a complex number. Therefore I can write it as u plus iota v, where u is the real part of w and v is the imaginary part of w. So it means that w is equal to f of z. I can write it as uz plus iota times vz. Okay, now z means it is a function of x and y, u is a function of z, and z is x plus iota y. Therefore u is a function of x and y. Similarly, v of z, z is a x plus iota y, therefore v is a function of z, and indirectly it is a function of x and y. So I can write as w of z, okay, as u x comma y plus iota times v x comma y, right? So let us see where we have reached, what we are doing exactly. So basically we had this function w from C to C, right? And we have seen that it is equivalent to two functions. So basically we have seen that w of z is u of x comma y plus iota times v of x comma y, right? Therefore if we want to study w, you can study this u and v, right? This u is a real valued function of x and y. So basically it is a function from R2 to R, right? And similarly this v is a function from R2 to R. Okay, so it means that studying a function from C to C, okay, is equivalent to studying two functions from R2 to R, right? And we already are familiar with these functions. Okay, so you have to know that if you want to study a complex function, so basically you have to study these two functions. Both these functions are from R2 to R. Okay, so in this video we have seen that studying a complex number is equivalent to studying two real valued functions which are functions of two variables x and y. Thank you.